What are you doing, Sahara? Sahara, you old girl. Poor Finn was being tortured over there.
Miles would kill me right now.
I know, he hates it when those birds get going. Oh, you sit down, honey.
Hello.
I don't want you to fall.
Come here. Come here. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
What are you doing? You see her?
Yeah.